BOKU Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. BOKU isn't just a mobile payment platform. You won't believe how it changes the way you pay online. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for app stores or small transactions, but the surprising truth is that BOKU allows merchants to accept payments directly through a user's mobile phone number, making checkout fast and secure. There is no monthly fee for users. Pricing is transaction-based. Merchants pay a percentage of each transaction, typically between 5% and 5%, depending on volume and country. Most people overlook that this fee includes fraud protection, carrier billing support, and global reach, which reduces the need for additional payment infrastructure. BOKU supports payments in over 60 countries and works with more than 250 mobile carriers. You won't believe how simple this makes it for users who don't have credit cards or prefer mobile billing. Platform also integrates easily with gaming, digital services and subscription apps, streamlining revenue collection. In conclusion, BOKU's pricing is transparent and reflects the convenience, security, and global accessibility it provides. For merchants, it's a reliable way to increase conversions and reach a wider audience. For users, it's a fast, hassle-free payment method without hidden fees. BOKU delivers value on both sides of the transaction.